Good morning and welcome to the Wigs website. Here we're going to show you how to find the perfect wig in the perfect style for your hair loss. Whether you're looking for a synthetic wig, a human hair wig or anything, follow these steps to find the perfect wig. First of all, go to our website, click on the actual Wigs tab. From there, scroll down and over here you are able to filter by hair type, human hair, Remy human hair, European human hair, heat-resistant synthetic, synthetic hair, and holographic tinsel. You can further filter your choices by a hand-tied wig, a lace front wig, monofilament wig, open cap wig, a traditional wig, and a French drawn wig. However, there's more. You can filter by style. Are you looking for a pixie, shag, bob, short, curly, straight, or even a long layered wig? And you can filter further. Are you looking for an average size wig, a large cap wig, or even a petite wig for smaller heads? However, you can still filter more. When you click on the length icon, you can filter by short, medium, or even long-haired wigs. This you can do with hair toppers as well. Let's do an example. We're going to find a synthetic wig. So once again, when you're on the website, we're going to click on